Now we are going to learn about two features of MS Word. One is known as superscript and the other is known as subscript. So let's start with superscript. First, I would like to tell you what is superscript. If you have heard in maths about like power, 4 to the power of 2. So when we write 2, it is little bit raised from the normal text. So if we want to write in such a way, then we use the option superscript. And if we want to write something in base, like 4 to the base of 2, that means when we write base, it is little lower than the normal text. So that happens in MS Word with the option subscript. Okay, so I'm typing something and let's see how to do. I'm writing 1, 2, 3. Let me zoom the screen a little bit. You will be able to understand. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3. Now what I want 12 to the power of 3. Okay, so I want this 3 to be superscript. So how will I do? Please see. I'll first select it. I hope you know how to select. You click through mouse and you simply drag it little bit. And when you drag it, the text is selected. So 12 is a normal text. 3 I want as superscript. Now in the home tab, in this block where we have the font group, in this group over here, we have option of superscript. See, one icon is made with x to the power of 2. It is written over there. So we'll click on this. Please see. 12 to the power of 3. 12 is written in a normal line, but 3 is little raised. So this is what is superscript. Okay. So I'll do it once again. Let's write some number. Okay. Now I want 78 or 678, whatever, in superscript. So for that, whichever number we want as superscript, that should be selected first. So I'm going to select, like I want 78 as, so I'll click and drag. I'll click and drag. I'll click and drag once again. I click over here. I keep pressing the left mouse button and just drag it. So this is selected. Now I go to this option of superscript. Okay, let's do it once again. Let's erase something and then do it. I'll write it little bigger so that, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. And then I want 9 to be raised. I'll select it. I'll go to superscript. I click. If I don't want, again, I'll click it. It comes back. I want it. I'll click it so that it is raised. Fine. Now it is not necessary that I am doing it only on numbers. I can do it with alphabets also. Let's try. Like if I write anything, I write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever. I want E, F, G to be raised little bit. That means it should be superscript. I hope by Superman only you'll be able to understand. Superman always flies in the sky. So super is always on the top. Okay. So I'll click on superscript. Click. Please see. It is little raised. So I hope you are able to understand superscript. Now subscript is just opposite of this. Okay. Now let's try. I'll erase everything. Then we'll do it again. Okay. Now I am writing some number, whatever. Like I want 4, 5, and 6 to be subscript. That means to the in the base I want. So what I'll do, I'll click and drag and select it first. Okay. And then just next to superscript, we have the option of subscript. I'll click on it. See, now it is there in the base. I don't want, I'll click it again. So I have selected, then I've clicked on subscript. Okay, so it comes in base. So that is what is subscript. Now let's try it on alphabets. I'll type something. Okay, now Now I want A, B, C, D to be the base. I can have anything as subscript, anything as superscript. I'll click. Just see. A, B, C, D is little below than the normal line, the text that is written in normal line. The alphabets that I have selected and made subscript, they are little lower than the normal text. So this is what is superscript and subscript. I hope you are able to understand.